I'm Dr. Alexandr Aylyarov. I work at HCA Florida Broward Orthopedics, and I specialize in sports medicine orthopedics. We deal with athletes from professional to recreational to, your weekend warriors. Mainly, we do minimally invasive arthroscopic surgeries to try to get people back to those sports. Part of the process is a patient really understanding their diagnosis. So whenever somebody comes in and we get any type of imaging, whether it's x-rays or an MRI, we always make sure that we review the images with them together so they can kind of really understand their diagnosis. And then we work together to formulate a plan so that, when somebody's involved in their care plan, they're much more willing and much more motivated to carry it out. And so that's really one of the main ways we get trust together, is that we understand the diagnosis together and then we build that plan together. So at HCA Florida Broward Orthopedics, we've really pride ourselves on our minimally invasive techniques. A lot of studies show that people have quicker recovery. They're able to get back to activities much sooner. There's less tissue damage. There's better healing opportunities. So, we've really perfected those at our group, and we have, between all of us, figured out the best techniques to get people back to their activities. So I just had a rollerblader who fell and dislocated her shoulder. And so getting her back to doing that, that's the first question, is can I do those things? And, getting them back, whether it's with therapy or doing surgery, is the things that we focus on. So once people get back and they're feeling great, it makes you feel good that you did a good job.